Beautiful diversity in KL, right? But you guys Cantonese are weird though. It's a little weird, man. Today I was talking to someone in my hotel. I'm like, hey, 今日落雨咯喎。佢話吓？落雨啊 ，raining 啊。佢落水。落咩水啊？你煲湯啊？落水？咩落水？ I was very confused. I thought I knew Cantonese, but apparently I don't. Went to a restaurant. I ordered an iced tea. I'm like, 來一杯冰茶。你嚟下。Iced tea 冰茶，雪茶 ，snow tea 嚇。咁啦啊 ，OK， 我明白 ，I understand。OK， 嚟一杯雪水啦。佢話唔係呢個係冰水。What the man? Who made up these rules?